morning. I have a full tank of gas. These on the beat and the beat got sicko. Young say all on his mouth like liquor. To the left, cause I have to get to the left fucking lane, cause I need to go to the Hugh Carey Tunnel. So I'm at location 05 and I actually finished filming like an hour ago. So we're all done, an early day again. This was the setup. So if you guys watched the other video, you'll know that this is like this is where I sat. But yeah, this is really nice. This is another studio in location 05. Last time we were across in that studio, but now we are in this one. It's much bigger, but I don't need a big space. I just need literally like this setup. It was already set up, so that was cool. And now I'm about to go home because I need to drive my mom to my sister's swimming class, and then I haven't ate lunch, so I have to do that. Baby, welcome to the party. I'm going to get my hair cut, so I'm not going to have this long hair anymore because I'm going to cut it. By the way, I washed my hair yesterday. I had it straight for a whole week, washed it yesterday, and there are some loose straight pieces, but I don't know if that's because I went to sleep. Oh, the mic was the other way. I don't know if I went to sleep. I don't know if it's because I went to sleep with my hair like a little bit damp, or if it's because it's a little bit damaged. I think it's like a little bit of both, but I'm going to cut those pieces off, and I'm so excited because honestly, I don't know. Now I'm looking at my hair and I'm like, should I keep it long? But we'll see. I'll decide when I'm in the chair. I am on my way to get my hair cut at the Diva Shan salon, and I just want to say something because this girl commented on one of my YouTube videos, like my recent ones, saying that I shouldn't promote, you know, where I'm getting my hair cut or something like that. And I always tell you guys that yes, Diva Curl has had people say or experience damage, but I have never experienced that. If I have, I wouldn't like go back there. I'm just literally telling you guys where I go because I get tons and tons and tons of DMs. Like literally my first, like my top question probably is, or it used to be, but it definitely is like in the top, where I get my haircut. People are always interested in where I get my haircut, who I go to. So I go to Navila at Diva Curl. When you go get your haircut, I'm pretty sure that you can request for them not to wash your hair or not to put any Diva Curl products. Now I don't know if you can bring your own products. Maybe you can call and ask them, like, you know, I want to get a haircut there with Navila or with whoever, but can I use my own products, or do I have to use the Diva Curl products, or can the, you know, the girl who washes my hair use the products that I bring in? Because when I have gotten my hair straightened, or when you go to like a regular salon, they let you use your own products, unless it's like, I feel like Diva Curl maybe won't let you because obviously they have their own, like that's their line. So I don't know, but you can always ask. It doesn't hurt to ask. The worst that they can say is no. But what you can do is go get a haircut and maybe call and ask, like, if I only get the haircut and don't get a wash, is the price less? They might be like, no, like the price is included. If you decide not to wash your hair, that's on you, but you're going to be charged the full price. I'm pretty sure that's what it might be, but again, ask, call and ask. So yeah, so that's an option. If you don't want to use the products, you can go and not have your hair washed or styled at all. So she'll cut your hair dry because you have to get your hair cut dry, and then you can leave, and that's kind of quick. That will probably take like 30-40 minutes, probably 30-40 minutes depending on your hair. So that's what I'm going to do today. I don't care if they wash my hair, if they style it. Sometimes, like when I go to salons, well, I only go to Diva Curl, I don't like when they style my hair at all because they try to make it very defined, and I always tell them, like, I don't care, like I like frizz, I want my hair voluminous. But again, like they, you know, they're used to like really coating your hair with the product, and I don't mind that because I'll wash my hair the next day or I'll fluff it out, whatever. But today I don't really have time because I have to take Rockefeller to the doctor to get a checkup. So yeah, I have to go all the way to Long Island, so I'm not going to do that. I'm going to just, I'm not going to wash my hair. I'm just going to go tell her to cut it and then leave. She has let me do that before, and obviously it's my choice, so that's fine. So that's always an option if you really want to go to Navila, or if you really just want a Diva cut, but not use their products. And back to the girl who said I shouldn't like be telling people where I go or mention Diva Curl, but that's my choice. And I always tell you guys about the little background that people have experienced damage and everything. Sorry, it's not little, but yeah, like what people have experienced. I've never experienced, so it's your choice. If you don't want to use the products, don't use the products. I go to Diva Curl Salon or Diva Sean Salon in Soho on Broome Street. I really like that it's located there because it's right in Soho. You can go shopping afterwards, blah blah. Yeah, so that's where I'm going. And I go to Navilla Diva Curl. She is so sweet, and I love the way she cuts my hair. So I don't know if I'm really going to go a little bit shorter or a lot shorter. I'm definitely going to go for a trim no matter what, but I don't know. I might tell her to cut 3 or 4 inches off and just literally let my hair be back to like when it was in 2017 or 2018. 2016 it was like super short and afro. Like 2017 and 2018, or like 2018 2019, it was a little bit longer, like it had more length. So I might show her pictures from my hair back in 2018 2019 so she can see, because my hair right now, it's long. Sometimes it doesn't look long, but it's super long and it gets weighed down so easily, and it looks stringy sometimes. Like it really just depends. I have to style my hair a certain way, and I don't like taking too long on my hair just because it's so annoying, but it's also because it's long. So I think when it's shorter, I'll probably like want to take more time styling my hair and, you know, make it look nice or deep condition more, because I'll have less hair to like work with. So long hair was nice, but I think I'm good. I think I'll try again next year when I cut it today and then let it grow out and see what happens. I was 20 minutes early to my appointment. I came to Soho really quick. It's only like 5 minutes driving from the Diva Curl Salon, and I got Gongcha. I freaking love this bubble tea place. It's in Chinatown. I get the dirty brown sugar with milk foam and the regular bubbles, light ice, and yeah, it's so good. I feel like if you're not a sweet person or you don't like sweet drinks, you probably won't like this, but it's worth a try. Alright guys, so I got my hair cut and I'm super in love. So again, I did not get my hair washed at all. It was fine. I freaking love Navilla so much. She cut my hair so well. She literally did exactly what I wanted. Thumbnail. Wait. Okay, so yeah, I love it. It has so much more volume. I feel so much lighter. Right now it's a little bit stretched out because when she cuts, obviously they cut on dry hair, so they have to like, you know, kind of pull it and then cut it. So she's like playing with it and touching it. So I think when I wash it, it might look a little bit, it's definitely gonna look more defined, but it might look a little bit shorter, which is fine because my hair honestly grows so fast and I want to maintain it short. Like I want to maintain it short. I don't want to come back in 2 or 3 months and it be long again and then it's like, oh my god, like no, I want it to be short. So it probably will look shorter just because it's not as defined right now, but I am super happy. My hair looks super light. I love the color, I love everything. So sexy, huh? I'm bringing sexy back. Don't know how to act. Yeah. Go let me make up for the things you lack. Yeah. What are you? Oh, okay. He's like, back up. Okay, so anyways, Rockefeller's like hidden in there somewhere, but I have nightstands. They're not, this one's not built all the way yet, just because I was missing a piece, so they sent me another nightstand, and I don't want to build that nightstand all over again. So what I'm going to do is just replace, like just take the piece from the nightstand that they gave me. Sorry, Rockefeller distracted me, and then just put it on this and call it a day. Honestly, like I don't really like the nightstands. I do, like I think they're okay, but I got them from Wayfair and the quality isn't all that. Like it really isn't. Like it's just there, it's not falling apart, but the quality is not all that. So I won't be taking it when I move out or when my lease is up, because it's just like, I don't know. This is a little crowded over here. I must admit, this plant is dying. Like this plant is dying, and this is one of my favorite plants. But it's dying and I'm not really doing anything about it. So tomorrow morning I'm going to water it, change the water, whatever, maybe repot it and try to revive it. But I think that's it. I think I just have to let go of plants because that's just not me anymore. My birth control. This is my other favorite. Well, honestly, I love all my plants. This is my other favorite because it doesn't ask for much and it's been thriving kind of, so that's good. And then my cactuses are amazing because they just don't, I don't need to take care of them as much, so love that. Hello guys, so this is officially how my hair looks. It's styled. I used hair food products. Wait, hold on, I need to focus and make this turn. Used hair food products. I used the detangling milk and I freaking love it so much. My hair looks legit. I absolutely love the way my hair came out. Well, I think when I get my haircut or like a trim the next time that I go, I think maybe in like 2 or 3 months, I'm definitely going to ask her to cut more layers at the top. So I feel like she did cut a lot in the length and she did fix up my layers, but overall, like I feel the top layers are still longer. Like I just want them a little bit shorter. So I'm definitely going to probably ask her for that because I still feel like the top is a little bit weighed down. And again, I know it's winter. I know that, you know, there's really not much humidity outside all the time. And in the summer, obviously, like my hair expands and gets so much more like fluffier and curlier and blah, blah, blah. But I definitely see that I think I need like shorter layers at the top, just like a little bit. But yeah, so I'm on my way to the Poconos. Family rented a house for a week. I am heading there right now. I didn't go with them because I have a cat. I have a whole child, so I needed to get someone to take care of my cat for the whole week. So I did. So that's why I went today, or I'm going today, and it's only a 2-hour drive. Like right now it says 1 hour and 48 minutes, but from my house it was like 2 hours. Yeah, 2 hours. So now we're at 1 hour and 48 minutes. And for those of you who are new or who haven't watched like my old curly hair videos of what I ask for when I get a curly haircut, so for the longest, for like 2-3 years, I've been trying to grow, or I've been growing out my hair. So every time I would go to the salon, I would just say, you know, try to fix up my layers a little bit, but I want to keep the length. Every time I say I want to keep the length, she barely touches the bottom or like overall my hair. She only trims it, and that's it. Yeah, and then we let my hair grow. But this time I showed her pictures. It's good to always show your stylist pictures. I showed her pictures of how my hair looked like a couple years ago when it was shorter like this, and I told her, I was like, I don't want like the afro look, how I like used to have my hair like so like voluminous and just like sticking out. I told her I didn't want that, but that I wanted more bounce and just more shorter and more voluminous, because long hair, I get volume down here and sometimes up here, but it's super way down, and I always have to like shake it, and it's just so annoying because it's just so much work, like putting product on, washing my hair, brushing it. Honestly, it was a lot of work. So I just told her I wanted to go shoulder. I wanted to go shorter because I wanted more volume. Told her that, and she knew it. Obviously, I've been going to her for years, so she already knew what I wanted when I said like I want more layers, I want shorter, I want more volume. Like she already knew. So that's what I asked for. That's what you can ask for if you go to, you know, your stylist, or if you go to Navilla, you can show her pictures of my haircut. If you know, if you want to achieve my haircut. But also keep in mind that not everyone's hair is the same, so you might want the same cut as me or the same cut as another curly girl, but depending on your texture, depending on, you know, your curl type and how much hair you have, it might not look like, you know, the desired look you're going for. So just keep that in mind and ask the stylist, like whoever you go to, be like, realistically, do you think that I can achieve this or close to this? Can we like make something work? And like ask her, be like, be honest, because if you think it's going to look horrible or it's not achievable at all because of my hair type, it's not the same, then let me know so we can like do something else. So yeah, definitely have a couple of pictures that you want. But if, you know, if you think me and you have the same hair type, we might not, but you might still be able to achieve this look. You can of course show her pictures of my haircut or old pictures if you just scroll down my Instagram, and just be like, you know, I want it like this, I want it like that, I want to keep a little bit of my length, I don't want it too short, blah blah. Just, you know, explain and show pictures. Also, actually no, that's it. I like this hair color. I do still shake my hair just because it can get a little flat here and there, but overall it's just so much easier to manage. I love it. I love it so much. I miss my long hair, but I know my hair grows really fast, so I'm not really tripping. I ain't tripping. I was about to sing a song, but never mind. Alright guys, I love you so much. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Let me know what other videos you would like to see, and if you really enjoyed it, please let me know, because it makes me happy, and I swear it motivates me to film more. Because I don't know, like if someone tells you like, damn, you're doing a great job, or I loved watching this, I enjoyed watching this, I look forward to your videos, it's like, okay, like let me make more. And I get really excited. It's not just like let me make more, but it's I genuinely like want to film more. So yeah, let me know, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share it with your friend, you know, if you think your friend will like my content and whatnot. And I'll see you guys in my next vlog.